In this video, we are going to look at the examples on pages 2 and 3 of the 9-2 slides. So our first example is to find the intercepts of the equation 3x minus y equals 5. So the first thing we do is we let y equal 0 and we solve for x. So that means that 3x minus 0 equals 5, so 3x equals 5, which means x equals 5/3. So that gives us the x-intercept 5/3, 0. Next, we let x equal 0, and we solve for y. So 3 times 0 minus y equals 5. Well, 3 times 0 is 0, so that's just negative y equals 5. So if we multiply both sides of the equation by a -1, we get y equals -5, which gives us the point 0, -5. There are our x and y intercepts. For our next example, we got two of these. We want to graph the equations 3x minus y equals 5 and y equals 7x using the intercepts method. So we've already got everything we need for our first for 3x minus y equals 5. We've got our 2 points, 0, -5. And 5/3, 0. That's going to be right about here. And we can pretty easily, we can pretty easily just draw a line through these points. And call it good. We draw it through the points, make sure that we extend it beyond the points, and we draw the little arrows at the end to show that it goes on forever. Now, with y equals 7x, things are a little bit different. We need to first figure out what are the intercepts. Well, if we let y equal 0, then 0 equals 7x. Divide both sides by 7 and get x equals 0. So we get the point 0, 0 as an intercept. And you may notice this causes us a bit of a problem because if the y-intercept or the x-intercept is 0, 0, the x-intercept is also 0, 0. So we've got only one point here. But it's not too hard to find a second point, since we know it has to go through -1, -7, and 1, 7. And so we can draw this line like so. We have to use the slope here. We have to find another point. We can't simply use the intercepts method of graphing if we are looking at an example where the line goes through the origin. That is it for this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch.